Alright, let's go. Okay, so it's gonna get fresh. Let's do this. I did wanna put image beta stabilizer on this one. I'll be outside. Okay. We're gonna go on the wind. Say hello.
Hello.
Well, my name is Tanya. Hi, my name is Tanya. Huh? Let's do. Ooh, yo, we're gonna go outside. Check this, guys. Check this. I'm not serious. Yes, we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna look like a penguin. I'm gonna look like a penguin. Am I gonna freeze to death? Oh man, this is. Ooh, look at this! Look at it! Whoa! Ooh, good morning and good evening. As we can see here, we are. Yo, this is something cool. We need to go and get food, so we are trapped in the. It's pretty nice though. I mean, for New York, it's definitely amazing. We need to get some food. Actually, not even food. We're gonna get like a frying pan and some eggs. They're gonna cook some huevos, not mine. And we have another penguin coming in. Yeah, I know. Look at this. Hold on. Let me give you that. Hi, man. I'm just telling that we're gonna get some fry pan to cook some huevos. Oh, that's it. Perfect. My hoodie went out, and I love my shoes. Actually, I'm wet already. Yeah, look, but doesn't matter. So, also, yeah, it's a perfect idea. What do you mean it's not such a good idea? I mean, who wouldn't go somewhere for some fucking huevos? Oh, okay, perfect. It's a perfect idea. Where are you going, baby? Fuck, look. Look, Eskimos, and that's overnight. We dropped in. Apparently it's what's called a blizzard. So we are blizzard in. This is really nice though. And, hold on, let me take myself a selfie too. Because this is not every day. Selfie! Check this. Selfie! Hold on, let me do a selfie. Ooh, this blizzard is talking about snow. It's perfect. I talked to my mother yesterday, and it was plus 20 degrees in Romania, in some parts of Romania, and that's very unusual for this time of the year. I mean, this kind of snow here, I think I got it there's snowing like this every year, right? In New York. We always around this time there is a blizzard, huh? Once a year, yeah, it's like a blizzard for 2-3 days. There you go. So it's nothing new. Nothing new. My shoes? Those are skateboarding shoes, not. This is so cool. Oh, look at this. I really like that. So yeah, this is like snowboarding schools. Hopefully the shop is gonna be open, right? I hope so. Look what I have to go into. Doesn't matter. At least the cars are still going. Ooh, the cars are going. So, the buses are running. Maybe it's not that bad. Actually, I went to work today. No, I didn't have work today. So, why am I? Look at this. Oh yeah, this is how we play. And I think the shop is gonna be open. So, I'm gonna let you go, because we will go in the shop. So I did have to record a little bit of a Your Blizzard! Bye! crazy. We are on the shop. The road control is here, and okay, we go that way. Watch out. Woo. This city is crazy, people. We all gotta be slowed in. This is Santa Claus in a very late way. Ah, I need some beer. No, I don't. Okay, bye. See you. Goodbye. Oh, what happens there? Even the church is on snow. Bye. I think the camera froze.